Tell them. Just left Paracas, now heading to Huacachina.
So technically this is our, I guess, second leg of the Peru Hop bus experience, and it's not too far away, only an hour and a half drive like maybe to Huacachina. And that's a place that I'm really looking forward to. The bathroom tour before it gets too busy. You know, some necessities that you need. Number one only, in this case, get some urinal. Sink, mirror, toilet paper, and hand sanitizer. That's all you need.
Everything. Now remember, there is a storage in Wild Rover.
It's a big Peru Hop sign. So we just arrived in our hostel, and the line to check in is very long. But hopefully we'll be able to check into our room very soon. But this will be loud hostel party here in Wild Rover Hostel. You got the idea.
Welcome! Welcome to our room at the Wild Rover Hostel. As you can tell, it's a little bit noisy out there. We are right next to the DJ booth. We thought we'd try to get a place farther away, but they didn't have any. So it's going to be earplugs tonight, but we're really happy to be here anyway.
Hopefully the music will be off by, I don't know, 10, which I highly doubt. No, but
this place goes till like 1 or 2 a.m.
Yay! We checked in and we're gonna stay here for 2 nights, and hopefully it's gonna be a lot of activities that we're gonna be doing in Huacachina. Room is tiny, but this is what you need. Clean bed, dim lights, you got private bathroom, and a space with live music, or at least the DJ music. What else can you ask for? It's next to the Oasis. Woo! Right, we finally arrived in the famous Peruvian Oasis of Huacachina. And this is actually smaller than I thought. It's not really a big lake. People keep calling it lake, but it's supposed to be an oasis. And the water is not as clean as I thought it would be. It's just a bit green, and there's a lot of, ducks. And I'm not sure whether I would be swimming here, but obviously kids being kids, and they just swim around. You could actually rent some of the small paddle boats that you could go around or two. And all the tourists now coming to Huacachina to see this oasis. But this is really small town, and there's basically only one major road surrounding this lake. And later on tonight we're gonna go up to watch the sunset at the dunes. And of course, like everywhere else in the world, every touristy place have a lot of restaurants, souvenir shops, bathrooms, everything to cater to tourists. And Huacachina is no different. Always, always, always. Places like this is where you can get the authentic, nice, good, and cheap food. 10 soles meal seems like it's called, I'm just reading out the menu right here. Carapulcra, sopa seca, arroz con pollo y papa a la Huacachina. Carapulcra basically is a pork stew with dehydrated potatoes. Oh, it's really good. It's like a lot of potatoes, and you can definitely taste the pork in it, so creamy and so good. And then it's actually served with some kind of noodles with shredded chicken on top of it. And it's actually a cold noodle dish. We are about to climb up to one of the dunes to watch the sunset and also Huacachina from above.
So I'm going to climb up behind Halef and I'm going to complain about it the whole time.
And this is where the road ends right here. So the main strip of Huacachina just ends and it continues on to the start getting like pretty rough because it's all sand.
Yeah, did I mention I'm going to be complaining about it the whole time?
Trust me.
Yeah,
Saying the truth.
All right, let's go, Halef. So I've walked about 20 feet and I hate this already.
Are you sure you want to get all the way up there, Michael?
Yes, let's go.
We have about 20 minutes before the sunset and everybody's just waiting for the magical desert of Huacachina. Right behind me there's a lot of dune buggies that you can rent and they can take you all the way to different peaks here just to claim to be one of the best, you know, magical sunset in Huacachina. But we're gonna climb up all the way to sort of maybe midway because I'm not sure whether we can make it all the way to the top, and we're gonna show you a magical drone shot of Huacachina.
So good. Operation Drone was a success. We had a little bit of problem at the end getting the thing to turn off, but in the end Halef didn't get his fingers cut off, so we're good.
Yay!
Noticeably colder.
Yes, it is.
Yay! Please don't get sad on my camera.
Let's empty our shoes.
There's so much sand in my shoes now. There we go. Probably my socks too. You're gonna have to do the same thing.
Oh my god. Alright, the other shoes. You'll find it in your bed later on, your clothes, jacket. Yeah. Traffic jam. Everybody's trying to get out from Huacachina, probably back to Ica.
Yuca, papa, huevo.
Muchas gracias.
Ciao.
Ciao. We stopped by at the street vendor and then get like this for 2.5 soles. Yuca roots, potatoes, and eggs with a lot of mayonnaise on top of it. So it's gotta be good.
I'm gonna try the yuca.
With mayonnaise, so it can't be that bad.
Let me just say it's been sitting there a while.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's kind of cold. Maybe it's supposed to be, I have no idea. Let me try the papas. Even though they're cold, they are good. Awesome. Now I don't need to get dinner.
Happy face, 24 wings.
We are so old. Everybody is out there partying, and we're just like the 40-year-olds lying in bed.
It's time to go to bed. Everybody go to bed, but
I just want to sleep while they're alive. But the dance floor is just outside our door.
well, good night. Maybe, hopefully. Chilling, just waiting for the sun to.
You know the microphone's not even on, right? Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say